don't want to go in that.
Okay.
So after this course, we'll be able to start giving interviews for companies.
Yeah, only for Java part, not for Selenium. Okay, after this you will not facing any interview question that is usually asked in interviews. With that we can promise. Yeah, it's 2 weeks, but it may be going for 2 or 2.5 weeks, not more than that. Sometime we are busy with our project, so we'll say that today we'll not taking class, next day we'll take the class. This happens every time. We are all human beings, we understand that everybody is not free every time. So that you should be very convenient for that. That suppose Thursday, suppose I say that I am very busy, I cannot take sessions today, then tomorrow. Okay, so this is our uh, depend on our bandwidth. With 2 weeks, we are going to cover core Java and Selenium Cucumber. Who says only Java? Okay, only core Java. Daily sharing notes or PPT for reference. You will be getting all assignments. Notes. This is the class. You should prepare your own notes for PPT. Okay, so I think that we all have all relevant questions. Sumit, you can go ahead to install the Eclipse in their machines. I will handing over to Sumit. Sumit, over to you.
Okay, thank you, Vandan, for taking up all the questions. So, guys, before starting the session, I would like to know that does you, all of you have the laptops with you? So you can do along with me.
Yes, Sumit.
If not, please take your laptops and then we can do.
Sorry to interrupt you, Sumit. Can you please share your screen? I stopped sharing my screen.
Yeah, please. So let me know once my screen is visible to everyone. Is it visible?
Yes.
So guys, before that, let us first get the Java in our machines. So I am already having it, but I will show you one more time so you can also do along with me. So just go to the Google and just type Java download. It's very easy and straightforward. Just I will also share the link with you. So go to this Oracle website or not this one. Let us go to official website. So I will be sharing this link. You can check this link and save it so you can also download it from here. So this is the official website of oracle.com. So when you come down, you see that current they are having Java 18, Java 17. So like you can download any version. Anyone have any question? Or you can please mute yourself. If you don't have any question, guys, please mute yourself.
Yeah, I have muted him. Yogesh, please keep you mute yourself
Okay.
when you join. Okay.
So, guys, as I've shared the link, just go to this link and whatever the Java version you want to download. So this is the latest one, but let us download the 17 one, or you can download the latest. It's your choice. So I'm using Windows machine, so I will go to this tab, Windows, and when I come down, you can see Windows. So here you can use either this one, or this one. So let me download one zip file, or you can check this one also if you want. So the best one I feel is this one. So just I will click this, and it will take some time. So it's around 172 MB. So just let us wait for that to finish, and then we can proceed. So guys, till now, is anyone able to download this zip file into their laptops?
Yes, sir, I'm doing.
Okay. So it is almost downloaded. So once we download the Java, see basically what we will do after that we will write our Java programs. So basically to write the Java programs we need some editor, right? Just like if I need to write something on note some text, I will open the notepad and write some text here. Similarly, in the same way, if I need to write my Java programs, I need to download one editor. So there are many editors in the market. Like if I tell you, like there is one Eclipse is there, VS Code is there, IntelliJ is also there. There are many types of editors available, but I will go with this one, Eclipse, because because if a person is doing it for the first time, this will be very good to go. So we will work with Eclipse. So you can see my Java zip file is also downloaded. So I will extract the data from this and I will right click and I will say extract all. Just click this. So till the time it will complete, we will just go to this Eclipse, how we can download the editor in our machines. So again, this is again a very simple step. Just write Eclipse download and go to the first URL or the first official website. So this I will also share. So basically, once you will come to this page, don't directly click this, just click download packages. And there are so many different packages available, you can see. So I will suggest you to go with the first one because it have all the files which we require. So if you are working with Mac operating system or Linux, you can download this one. So I am working with Windows. So I will click. Let me first share this page URL as well with everyone. So Eclipse download. You can save this URL. So after that, just click this and just click on download. So it will download after a few seconds. So you can see I have extracted the Java folder as well, which is this one. So let me copy this, or let me not copy this, just I will open this. And I think our Eclipse is also downloaded. So basically, once let us just wait for a few seconds till the time it will download. Is there anyone facing any issue? Let me know till this part. Everyone is able to complete till this point. So no questions. So I'm assuming that everyone is able to do it without any issue.
Yeah, hi, this is Barney. Can you show me that Eclipse download page again? No, actually, I missed that part and I was downloading the Java file.
Okay, not issue. So just say Eclipse download,
Yeah.
search it and go to first URL and just click on download packages and come to the first one. So this will have all the files which we require. So I am working with Windows, so I will click first one. Now just you need to click the download. Let me also share this URL. So guys, this is taking much time. So I am already having the setup in my machine. So I will show you that how this setup will look like. So if I show you, this is the Eclipse I am already having. So let me say open file location. So this is the location where my Eclipse is present. You can see. So once you extract the zip file, which we have downloaded from here. As of now, I am not downloading it because it is taking much time. Extract the zip file, and once you open the folder, you will see something like this. So just click this Eclipse icon, which you are able to see here on my screen. Just click this, and it will open the Eclipse ID. Right. So here we will be writing all our Java code from now on. So you can, if you have an idea of other uh, as well, you can use other editors as well, but we will go with the Eclipse only as of now. So before that, it is asking me to create some workspace in the sense like where we will be maintaining all our files, right? For example, this is also a workspace. Here we are having all our files. Similarly, to do the setup part, first we will just say click browse, and let me make a new folder. So let me make it here. So just new folder. So let me say Java. Let me give any name. It's your choice, whatever the name you want to give. Java first class. That I will give here. And if I open it and I will click select folder. So this is the path where whatever the Java code I will write, that Java code will be residing inside this folder. So this is basically, it is asking us to create one workspace. So just create this of your choice and click launch. So till now anyone is facing any issue, so let me know. I hope setup part is done for everyone. Just no maybe.
Actually, still files are getting downloaded. Still waiting for that.
Okay, no problem. So
Guys, I pasted you one link of Google Drive. In case anyone is not able to download from the Oracle or facing some issues, then for later I am saving you the Google Drive link. So you can just click on that link and download later on. Okay, you can save that link.
okay, so one more point. So maybe when you will do it for the first time, might be it will ask you to create one account, maybe. So I think I'm already having one account. So I am not logged in currently. But in case if it will ask you to create an account, you can just create some account on this website. Then you will be able to download the Java. So you can see our Eclipse has started. So this is the home page. So there are many options available. Like if you want to go through some tutorial, you can check it, but that will not be required. I will take care of everything. So just click on hide button. So now this is the, so as of now you can see it is asking us to create a Java project. We are not having any project into this workspace as of now, whatever the workspace we have created. So the first step is to create a simple Java project in the sense where we will be writing all our Java code or any other code, right? So our first step is to create one simple Java project. So it is showing you like you can create a Java project. So just click this. It is very, very simple. And so whatever the name you want to give, just give it. So suppose I will say first Java class, or let me say like this, and any name you can give. So just give this name and click on finish. So rest of the things you do not need to change, just click on finish. So it is saying that discourage module name. By convention, module names usually starts with a lowercase letter. So it is saying me that you should make the first as small, right? So either way you can neglect it, but if it is saying yes, so let me create by giving the like this. You can see. So how many people are able to do till this part?
Yeah, sorry, it's a very fast. Actually, till installation, we should be a little slow. Actually, our files are still getting downloaded, and we
Is it for
not able to.
everyone? Okay, so this is the first class. So I will wait for everyone to come to this part. Then we will
Yeah,
see later part.
but first, yeah. First, once we done with that setup, we'll be good enough to pitch in.
Bandhan,
Actually,
if you have the Google Drive link, you can share,
Yeah,
please.
chat box. You can check. And anybody is not
Hello.
having access of that, they can ask.
can you take someone? Can you take access from someone and show it again? The installation process. Once we download the files.
Which one? For which one?
Eclipse and Java both.
See, I have shared the URL into the chat box. If you are able to
Yeah,
see.
yeah, URL we got, and then files also we got downloaded, and
Okay. So just
yeah,
extract the file.
just
Just extract the zip
yeah.
file. Inside that you will find one Eclipse icon.
Okay.
If I show you again,
Yeah,
like
you,
this.
Rani, you can share your screen. He will tell you your screen.
Yeah, let me know.
Can you share your screen?
So how many people are able to complete till this part? I assume that everyone is able to create this folder.
Uh, can you please share your screen? He'll be helping you in installing Eclipse in your machine.
I can share my screen.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, can I, are you able to see my screen?
Not yet. Are you able to share or you are facing any problem?
Yeah, I did. I
Yeah.
just shared.
Now it's I think visible. Yeah, please ignore these
Okay.
codings. You can just go to that
Yeah,
Eclipse one.
I just ignored it. Just ignored it, and I.
Just extract the file.
Where is your Eclipse is downloading?
No, it's not downloaded. Actually, it's yeah, I'm extracting here. I'll show you this one actually. Here, Eclipse, no, I downloaded it, but it's downloaded like
You can check in downloads.
Yeah, you can download it later on, and then if you face any issue, you can ask in the next class. Okay? Uh,
okay. I
because
just I just clicked on it. It came here.
I have shared one URL in the chat. I am
Yeah,
can
just
yeah. I
yeah.
yeah. I
I
clicked on the URL. Once I clicked on download. Once I
why do you
clicked
come? Why
download
do you
it.
come in Eclipse ID? He shared you the Oracle and Eclipse URL. Okay. Mm. Package you need to download, not you.
Okay. I think it's downloading, right? This one.
It will take some time.
Yeah.
Okay. Sumit, you can
Yeah.
start. He will be downloading later. If you
Okay.
face an issue, you can help him later.
Okay, you guys carry on. Actually, it's going to take time.
So let me know. I have shared my screen again. Is it visible? I hope my screen is visible to everyone.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Yes, yes.
So guys, this is how the first time when you try to create a project, you can also create a multiple project. Just right click here, new, and then Java project. Again, you will see one more project will come. So as of now, let us create only one. You can say project name. So this is my project name, first Java class. So this is the source folder, src in the sense source folder, right? So just see this. As of now, it has given me one dummy file, right, with .java extension. You can see .java at the end. So always remember that whenever you want to write any program, like even the basic Java program, you need to always first create the class. So as of now, it has given me one class. So let me not use this one. Let me delete it. I know I will create my own class. So go to this folder, right click. Again, I'm saying go to this src folder, click it one time, right click new, and then go to class. So the reason why I am making the class is that as Java is a object-oriented programming, so we always need to create one class to write any simpler program. So just click this and just suppose I will say program1. This is my Java class name. So just click on finish. You can see it has given me one class. So what is public, and you will see somewhere you will see final anything like this one. We will discuss it later. As of now, just do not consider this. So just see this. This is the class, and what is the class? What is the object? We will discuss when we will come to the object-oriented programming. So that we will see once we cover the basic. So as of now, it has given me one class, and there is one more thing. If I write here, so before that, I hope everyone is able to download this Java. Where it is, this is the one, right? I hope everyone is able to see like this. There is one bin folder, right? You can see some DLL files are present here, many files are present here. So basically these are the files that we will require to run our Java program. So basically, if you see this, as of now, if I write any Java program here, that will work because my system knows where the Java is present. But everyone just now has downloaded it for the first time. So what we need to do, we need to do one simple process that is only for one time. So you just need to do it only one time, and then it will be done. So just go to this PC or my computer, whatever it is coming at your side. Just go to property, right click it, right click in property, and go to advanced system setting. Once you go to advanced system setting, you will see one folder with this name environment variable, right? So click this, and here if you come down, what you need to do, just you need to click on new if you are doing it for the first time, right? So I need to give one name, so I can say Java home. I'm saying this, I'm telling my, so basically what this environment variable will do, whenever I will write my Java program here, how will my Eclipse editor will know where the Java is located, because Eclipse editor will also need Java to run our Java program. But so that this is the reason, first we need to tell globally. So this is our global variable, right? So Eclipse will communicate with this global variable and it will identify where my Java, all the Java files are present. So just come to this and copy this path. So copy till here, right? So till this part you need to copy the URL, copy the path and just paste it here and click on OK. So you can see this is how you will see it when you will do. So I think I am already having this by default. I have done earlier. So I should have it. You can see somewhere. Okay, so it's Jenkins Java. I think I have edited it earlier, but it is not showing me. Let me check. So this we have done. Okay, anyways, you need to do it all as well. I think I deleted it. So after that, once you do this Java home variable set, just go to one more variable, which is path. So here we need to provide one more variable, which is one more path we need to provide. Just do it for the one time, and then you don't need to give it again. Just go to bin path, copy this and paste it here. So I think I should have already it in my machine. You can see here I am already having this, right, till bin path. So again you need to do one more time when you, because you are doing it for the first time. So paste the complete path and click on OK. So I'm already having it on the top, so I'm not doing it again. And after that you need to click on OK. As of now I'm clicking cancel, and let me also delete this one because I'm already having it. I'm not seeing it somehow here, but I remember I have set it once. Let me again check. This is the one we have set. Okay, so I will do one thing because I'm not seeing it. So I will also make this change to this one only. So this one I will delete because now I'm not having the version 11. I've just downloaded version 12. So let me delete it. And instead of that, let me paste this one, which is our newly one, right? So I will click on OK and then click on OK. Click OK here. So once you do this, just go to this CMD and just type we are checking just whether we are set everything correct or not. You can see this is the version I have downloaded from official website. Now it is showing me that this version is available in your machine. So now we are good to go. So till this part everyone is able to set Java path. You need to do it only once. If you have any queries, let me know. Okay, so no questions. So I am assuming that it is clear to everyone. So in case if you
Yeah,
have, yeah,
one question.
yeah,
Yeah. So I'm still seeing the package, which but I have deleted my package. I'm still seeing my package along with my class, newly created class.
can you
Can I
share
share
your
it?
screen?
Yeah. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yes. So I have deleted it, but it's still present. Is this the correct way?
What you have deleted?
So you mean to say you wanted me to delete the package, I guess. Previously, I have deleted it and I have re-added by creating new class, but still the package is present.
So this is the package you created, na? That you can see on the
Yeah.
top, you've created one package. So that's why it is visible. So you can also do this way. We will also only going to do this way only, like we will create our own package and inside that we will have one class. So I will show it
Okay.
shortly. So don't delete it. You can write
Okay.
your code in a project one.java.
Okay. This is correct one.
Yeah, correct. Not an issue.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. So I think my screen is also visible to everyone. So once you finish downloading it, you can see there is one default package came automatically, right? So you can do one thing if you
Yes.
just let us go with default package only. So what is package we will discuss later. So just assume that it is just like a container, like we can create hundreds of classes or any number of classes we want. Suppose if I want to say program2.java, program2. So I can create many numbers of classes inside this. So it will be arranged in a good way, right? So you can do without package as well, but the good choice is that you should always make a package and then create the classes. The reason why I'm saying is that suppose I will make one more package. Suppose so I will say package 2, right? You can see now. Suppose I have some code into these two classes, and now I can create two more classes like this. So the idea is that I will be able to separate the classes which I want like this. So now this class and these two classes are separate. So that is the reason you should always make a package. So how you can create a package? Just new, click on package and give the package name, like say package 3, package 66, any name. So just you can see this is the package. So it do not have any class file like this. So that's why the color is different. But once you add any class file, it will become brown color, right? So let me delete this. So just click on delete button, or you can right click delete. As of now, let us go with only one. Let me also delete this one. Okay. So now I am going to write my Java code here. So why I'm writing my Java code inside? Because to write any Java program, we need to create a class. Even the simplest program, if you write, you need to create one class as well, right? So after that, you need to create one main method. So how you can say, if I write, I will be explaining what it is. Public static void main. So this will be same. So what this is, so as of now, we have not discussed what is public. We will discuss later what is static. Void we will also discuss. So as of now, just understand that our program execution will start from here, right? Always remember that main method will be the when I will run my Java program. This is the first method that will run from this method, or you can say from this. Just even we have not discussed what is method, so I am not assuming that anyone knows method. So just see here, once I have written this, I will put my all the Java code here, right? So earlier I written on the top, we need to write all our Java code. So there is one shortcut. If you want to write, if you don't want to write, just say main and press Control space from your keyboard. So once you press Control space, you just click first one, right? It will automatically create one public static void main method for you. So till this part is clear to everyone. Let me know if you are not able to.
Can you repeat the shortcut once?
Yeah. Just type after creating the class, write main main control space. You need to press control and space simultaneously. So just
Okay.
after that hit enter, or you can click first one. So it will automatically generate this thing for you, right? So as of now let us see. So this is also belongs to Java only, right? It is not related to Eclipse. Now whatever we will do, this is also all the Java, right? So we have not written any code inside this. So now we will see the basic one, like how to print anything, how to print print you can say your name in Java, right? So how this is the simplest one. So basically you need to write one simple statement which is system dot out dot print, right? And whatever the like, so this one we will see. So this is a class. So what is class? This is a method as well, right? So we will discuss that later. As of now, just you need to remember this is the statement you need to put if you want to print anything like my name. I want to print. I need to print some student name, other name, whatever. Like for example, if you want to print this as well into your console. What is console? I will come to this point in a second. So if I run this program, so it is asking me to save the file. You can see one more small point. Whenever you will see one star, whenever you will see one star here, which means it is not saved, right? If I press Control S from my keyboard, this will go, right? And if I just write anything or put hit one space, you can see it is saying that the program class is not saved. So just save it by pressing Control S, or you can, there is one more option I think here, like save. You can do both the, like it is saying Control S, you can hit directly from the keyboard. Now if I run this program, you can see just how you need to run. You can do from here, like right click, run as Java program, Java application, right? Or you can do from here as well, right click, run as Java application. Both the way you can do. So once I click it, so it should have run. I think it has not. Let me run it again. Or let me put some string here, like suppose I will say some name I will print. So we need to check. You can see. So what is console? Console is basically where you will see your output. Whatever the code, Java code you will write, that output you will see here only, console, right? For example, if I want to print any other name, so I will just copy this one. So Control C, Control V, 1, 2, 3, any number of, like I will say Sumit. I can say Pankaj. Or let me print same again at the end. So if I run it, you will see one Java, like you can see how it is printing. First it has printed Vandan, first name, then Sumit, then Pankaj, and then Vandan. So till this part, is everyone able to print this? Please let me know if you are facing an issue. Is it clear? Okay, so okay, thank you. So after that, you can see how this name is coming. Like it came in one line. I want the names to be printed in different line. So I just need to say ln. What this print? Earlier I am using print. Earlier I was using print method. So this is a method, right? We will discuss what is the method and all in coming sessions. So if I put ln here, you will see how it will print. Just use print ln. So I will be only using println in the coming lectures. So if I run it, now you can see this will come in different lines. So what we understood from this, if you provide println, so what this println will do, it will print the first name, and after that it will change the line. That is the reason Sumit is printed into the next line. And once it will print Sumit, it this ln will change the line, and you will see your next data will be printed here, right? So earlier what was happening is that we are using print only print. So after printing this Bandhan, the our mouse control is over here only, right? After n. So that is the reason it is printed in the separate line. But once I am using print ln, so every time you will see that it will print in the different line like this. So this is the very basic one. If I need to print any name, or let me put some one more time, if I want to print hello, welcome to, any lengthy text you want to print, you can print our first Java. Hope everyone is doing. So just if I need to run this, just right click, run as Java application. So now this is the output we are seeing in our console. Console in the sense where we will going to see all our output. So another, after that, let us try to, so suppose I need to add two number, like I need to, suppose there is one number one is, you can say number one is like say 100, and I'm having one more number which is number two, which is 100, or you can say 200. So I need to add both the number. So basically there are some data type. So what is data type in Java? So let us cover only basic ones for today. So basically, like if I talk about int, which is our integer. So earlier we used, like let me write it, or let me go with this way. Suppose I need to add two number. So for that, suppose this is my number one. I am writing no1, which is number one, or let me write here number one equals to 10. Just write this way, and my number two is 20, and I need to add both the number, right? So if I show you, if you see this is an integer, right? Integer in the sense 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. So to tell our Java that what is the type of this number, I will say int. I will say int, like this. I am telling that this, what is this one? This is our variable. So just understand here, like if I say variable, I am writing it here, variable in Java is just like a container that is used to store the value. So basically, this is my variable name. Number one is variable name. This is also a variable name, right? So whatever you will write after int, this will be variable name. This is the equal to operator. So I'm just saying that number 10 should fall into this variable, and I'm saying number 20 should fall into this variable. So if I show you so basically there is one concept of debugging which I'm going to explain you, so it will be very, very clear to everyone what these two lines are doing. So just double click here, or let me double click here, or let me just print something. So there is one more shortcut. Earlier I was writing system.out.println. Just write sysout, write this and hit control space. So it will generate you automatically. So let me say hello. Just I'm printing this, and if I run this program like this, so it will print hello, right? So if I show you in debug mode, let me put one breakpoint. What is breakpoint? We will discuss more about it. Just understand that if I need to pause my program execution at some point of line, suppose I need to stop here at line number 19. So I will put one breakpoint by double clicking the line, and this time I will run in debug mode. So if I show you in debug mode, so just click on switch. Now you can see. So forget about this one. It is saying that I am I have stopped the program execution till this part. But if you see this number 1 and number 2, right? So number 10 is present inside this variable. So this is left hand side is the variable, right? And this is the value of the variable. So forget about this one. Just consider this one. And this is our number 2. So now I need to add both the number, right? So how I can add the number? I can simply say number 1 plus number 2. So this is the basic operation which we all are familiar. So now if I try to run this program, it is giving me some kind of error. So basically it is saying me that you have added both the number. I will also add the number, but you should store the number somewhere. So suppose I will say result equals to, or you can say addition result. So this is again a variable. So once these two numbers will be added, like 10 plus 20, right? The result will come into this place, into this variable. So again, both the numbers are integer. So I will again say integer int should be here, because both the numbers are integer. So I cannot say string variable, right? Because these two numbers are the integer number, right? So just say int as of now. Now if I try to run it in debug mode again, so just how to debug, put one breakpoint. Suppose this time I will stop here, right? Right click, debug as Java application, and just click on OK. So you can check this, it will not show you again. So click on OK. And now if I show you here, first number 10 will come into this variable. You can see if you place your mouse, it is giving me the variable value, which is 10. And this is number 2, it is 20, right? And here what is happening, number 1, 10 plus 20. It's very, very simple. And once these two will be added, as of now you can see no value will be here, right? But once I run it for the first time, like this, so just click this one, step over, in the sense I need to jump from this place to, if I need to execute any line, like as of now we are here, right? I will just click this step over, so it will execute this line of code. But if you see this one, you can see the result becomes 30, because 10 plus 20 will become 30, and that result will come into this variable. So this is, so if anyone is facing any issue, just debug this. You will understand very easily that how the values are coming into the variable. So this is our variable, which is of type integer, right? So integer is one data type. So different types of data types are there in Java, like string, long variable, integer variable, right? We will discuss everything. So as of now, if you want to terminate in between, you can say just terminate. So now if I run this program, I want to see the output, but as of now we are getting output as hello. Please unmute. Please mute yourself if you don't have any questions. Some disturbance is coming. So now earlier we printed some string, but this time I want to print this value. So if I copy this name and place it here, save it, and if I run it again, you will see the output here like this. For example, I will say 100 or 1000, right? So now just run it again, it will give you the correct output, which is 1020. So just change this every time and it will give you the correct output. So we will not discuss much after this. We will take it to here only for this lecture. So if you have any questions till now, let me know.
Can you please show again how did you put breakpoint?
Yeah, sure. Suppose the reason why I want to put the breakpoint is, suppose I need to check how my program execution is working. Suppose I need to check from here. Just click this, double click, you will see one breakpoint, or you can right click. I think there is one more. This is how you can do. Like for example, disable it will remove, and if you say toggle, or let me just double click. It's very simple. Double click here, it will put one breakpoint, and after that you need to debug as Java application. So do not click run as, right? What I'm saying, if you want to debug, just say debug as Java, not run as. It will not stop even if you have the breakpoint like this. Just click on debug as Java application. So you will see now you are here. It has not executed this line, but it is we are here. So to execute the line one by one, just keep on clicking this step over. I have clicked once. You can see on the right hand side, one variable is created inside our memory area. You can say refer it as a memory area, right? So one variable is created, number one, which is having the value as 1000, and number two, like this, and then third one, you can see the name. So likewise, you can debug. Is it clear to everyone? You can put any number of breakpoints, like I can put here as well. It's your choice. Is it clear to everyone?
So, so what's the
Hi,
purpose
Sumit.
of breakpoint? We are using line by line, right?
Sometimes, as of now, we are having a very simple program, just adding two number. But sometimes you have thousands line of code, right? Suppose you are
Yes.
getting some kind of error at some point. So to check it, at which line it is failing, we are using this breakpoint and debugging concept. So that is the reason we
Okay.
are doing.
Can you
Can
please
can
explain debugging again?
Yeah.
can we remove all the debug points in a
Yeah.
once?
In a
Consider we have 100 debug points in a
Yeah,
code.
you can
Can
just
we
right.
remove
Yeah,
all at once?
I think
right
there
click
should be
and
some
remove
option.
all.
Uh,
This is the breakpoint. Once a second, Sumit.
Sorry.
This breakpoints in the machine variable breakpoints expression. Just go there.
Right click.
Yeah. Click on breakpoints, not here.
Here yourself.
No, no. In the screen, variables breakpoint expression. There you are showing the variables.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, breakpoints. Right click and
Yeah.
remove all.
I think somewhere is here on the top.
Yeah, yeah. Just right click there. Yeah, remove all.
Yeah. You're correct. So yeah, we can remove like this.
Uh, Actually, Sumit, we are running out of time
Okay.
because it's 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. Okay, so maybe tomorrow you can take that time, this first class, so we can wind up here if you want.
So guys, anyone else is having any questions?
What about my questions? I had asked you to for debugging again.
Okay, okay. So to debug, to do the debug part, first you need to put the breakpoint. If you do directly like this, just right click, you will see debug as Java application. So as of now, we have not put any breakpoint. So that is the reason we need to first click on any line. So this is the commented part. One more thing, if you put double forward slash, this will not be considered as a code, right? It will not execute. So just put one
Okay.
breakpoint here, double click on line number 18, and let me just put one.
How this blue line appear?
Which one? It is coming
This blue.
automatically. I have not put. So this
Okay.
is this is this is just showing that this is the our main method is starting here and ending here. I have not put this.
Okay, length.
Yeah. So just click this. So it will keep on increasing. Yeah, you can see it will keep on increasing till the part you will write the code by
Yes, yes.
default. So debug part is clear. So just put one double click on line number, any line which you want, and debug as Java application. So you should not be able to debug it from here, I think, right? So this is
Okay.
only this part inside this method, because here we are writing the actual code. No point of debugging from here. So just put one breakpoint like this, debug as Java application. That will. Okay, so somewhere we came here. Let me remove it. Just click on debug as Java application. Is it clear? Now we are stopped here. So if you want to exit the program in between, you can terminate, or you can click on step over. So it will execute one by one, and you will see the output as well.
Okay.
So guys, if you are doing it, if you are doing the programming for the first time, I would say that you should always debug each and every program, because once you debug it, you will be able to see what are the variables that are creating, how it is working. So it will be easy to understand. So try this debugging part, and I will see you tomorrow. If you have any questions, you can post it in the WhatsApp groups.
Yeah, one small request. Can you share any one of the previous class, which has introduction like this, where we can see the download part, installation part, and all these things.
Are you not able to download?
No, I just want to go through it, while installing. We may be getting lots of doubts. Again, reaching you, it
Okay,
won't be
we will
good, right?
share.
Only first class. Can you share it
Yeah,
so
sure.
that we can
Sure.
go through the process?
So guys, thank you for attending this. So tomorrow class will be at same time 9 p.m. IST.
Guys, whosoever has not enrolled for the course can enroll. I will just share the link, and one or two class will be free of cost, but later on you need to be uh, submitting the fees in the URL. Okay, just pasting the URL in the chat box. Yeah, there you can make the payment. Thank you. You can copy the this URL.
For daily meeting, that will be the same link, right?
Yeah, we will let you know over the group. I will check.